NCTV45 Newcastle, The Train.
Today's program was provided through funding from Coney Island downtown in downtown Newcastle, a Newcastle tradition.
Hello, and NewsWatch rolls on. The Hoyt having their open house from 11 to 4. Yes, it's providing visitors with a unique opportunity to discover what can be seen to learn and do at the Hoyt this summer. Free camps, classes, and a whole bunch more, workshops, special events, concerts, and activities for artists. And all you have to do is find yourself to those 1917 mansions right up there on the North Hill, and you can call them for more information at 724-652-2882. I'm sure they'd love to hear from you. Hoyt Center for the Arts, always a great time. Now, let's check out these sponsors who keep community television on the air for you.